You do.
Let's introduce ourselves first, okay?
And yippee-ki-yay!
Hi there. Today I am in the kitchen with my daughter, Sarah, and we are going to make...
Baby up.
Baby is upstairs sleeping.
We have another one.
We have another one on the way. So what are we going to be making today?
No bakes.
No bakes. This was Sarah's idea to make no bakes today.
And we are doing all kinds of shapes.
And her idea is to do some shapes. We're going to do some shapes.
And some sprinkles.
And some sprinkles on those shapes. So I've been wanting to actually make some no bake cookies.
Should we show them all the ingredients?
We don't have to yet.
Why would I show them? We need some brown rice.
Quick oats. Those are quick oats.
Quick oats.
So you'll need quick oats, vanilla extract, cocoa.
Should we show them? Mom's homemade cocoa.
Cocoa. I didn't make that. Cocoa. It's just Dutch cocoa.
Sugar.
And sugar. And what else? And measuring cups. And we'll need butter as well and milk. That's in the fridge.
I will get those.
And peanut butter. We need peanut butter. So anyways, I thought it'd be a great idea to make them. They're really easy, as everyone knows how to make no bakes, but I
love peanut butter.
I actually really want to do a double batch today because I want to have some for eating now, and then for after the baby comes, I want to put some in the freezer so then I can enjoy those once the baby's here.
We love bakes.
Well, we love no bakes, but because oats are actually really good for bringing in milk supply, and I never really had an issue with milk supply, but you never know. And
my daughter nurses on this baby.
But you never know, and it never hurts to get all the help you can get. Brother's still sleeping, and we got tractors outside that are probably gonna wake him. We got tractors plowing in the field right now, and I wait for him to wake up any moment now to hear that because he loves tractors.
My dad wears ginger man underwear.
He loves everyone to know that.
And also Skittle underwear.
We gotta make sure. Yeah, so 2 sticks. Yep. So we'll need 2 sticks of butter.
My favorite butter.
Excuse me. I'm almost thinking maybe we need to triple this recipe, but we'll try to get by without. We'll show our bowl now. Okay, it's good.
They probably need Christmas presents.
Yeah. Normally you can get it all off in one peel, but that's okay.
Do you have to melt the
Takes
butter?
practice. Yep, but we're gonna put everything in here first, and then we're gonna start melting it. Okay.
Okay.
So next we'll need 1 3/4 cups of sugar, but since we're doubling it, we need to just do that twice. Hang on. We gotta make sure it's all the way to the top here. Okay, there's 1. No, just. Okay, and a 3/4 cup is almost to the top, but not quite. So we gotta find that mark on
snow,
here.
guys.
Okay, that's actually 3/4 cup right there.
The butter with sugar.
Stop it. Okay, now we're gonna do that again. I'm gonna do it for you, okay? Because you keep trying to grab sugar. This is, oh, stop it. This is a lot of sugar. I feel like 1 3/4.
No bakes.
Wow.
Snow.
That's a lot of sugar.
It snows.
Okay, I know it will all melt down now.
I like it.
And since it's half a cup of milk, we're actually gonna do 1 cup of milk, okay? Can you pour that, or is it too heavy? Nope, gotta go all the way to the top there. Very good. So now we're gonna set this over medium heat. That's probably where it was. Okay. So we're gonna do this twice. Yeah, it's kind of a heaping third. That's okay.
came back from that clickbait. That was good. Clickbait. Do I need to start?
You can go get my little wooden spoon.
Start.
Well, no. Let me do it first.
Let me.
Well, because I don't want cocoa flinging everywhere. So let me. See, even I'm flinging cocoa everywhere.
So we've just been doing stuff very like this. This is my school and when is my birthday?
You already had your birthday.
No, when was it?
No, September 11th.
September 11th. That's my birthday. Mine, his is October?
No, his is November 21st.
November 21st. That's my brother's.
Okay, we're gonna remove this from the heat real quick. Easy, once I added in the vanilla, so I'm like, maybe I should remove that.
Use it.
There's one. I hope I have enough oats. Two. I think I have just enough. We're gonna have to go to the bulk food store soon. Look at that, I had just enough. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my goodness.
First, we're going to start with the mitten.
And the mitten. And why are we doing a mitten, Sarah?
Because we live in Michigan.
Because we live in Michigan. And why is it? Is it because it's cold, Sarah?
No, it's because it's the shade of our state.
Good job. And now she's gonna decorate with sprinkles on her cookies, right? I'm gonna help you before. This is how things explode.
Okay, those ones, I'm gonna get these fall ones. Those look beautiful. Why would you, I would just set them on the bottom so we know what one's which.
And we got alphabet ones too.
Hey, we should put some, actually, we need to set this one on top.
Good idea.
So
And we know which ones goes to which.
Mhm.
See, you're so smart.
Some letters in the alphabet. Just doing all kinds of O's. Oh. Any more O's? There's one yellow one. My smiley face is done. Creepy smiley face. That's what I would call it. Come over here, Mama. Thank you for watching this video and give us
A thumbs up.
for watching this video. Give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and watch me eat some no bakes.
Thank you so much for watching and joining us in our kitchen. And everything that she said about hitting the subscribe button and giving us a thumbs up. If you enjoy this video, so that we know to make more videos like this. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Only on school days we do this.
Only on school days.
We're going to be doing a new video every day.
Oh, really? That's a huge commitment.
Say thank you for watching, Fox. Thank you for watching.
What do you think? Good? She gave me one with alphabet sprinkles on
And
it.
I love.
And fall sprinkles.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm. I have
Mom
terrible
can't
heartburn now.
taste.
No, I can't. I still can't taste since like last year. It's getting there. Like I can taste like sweet stuff, and I think chocolate. Like I could taste if something's chocolate if it's sweet. That's kind of about it. Other than like savory, garlicky, salty, oniony. That's kind of new. That's it though. I have such terrible heartburn already. It's awful. What do you think? Oh my god, that chocolate. What do you think, bud? Sissy made that one just for you. Or is that the little one?
It's part of the big gingerbread.
Oh, okay. What do you think, bud? Oh, no comment, so I'm guessing they're good, right? I love you. Hi. Look at your teeth. Yeah, you want more, don't you? We're not gonna have any more though. No, no.